Hi, I'm excited to be sharing another tip that highlights the features of your Homebot Digest. Today, we're taking a peek at the What's Important Now section of your Homebot Digest. You'll find this section right below your estimated home value section. What's cool about the What's Important Now section is that it is different for everyone. The choices you see in this section is based on your customization in your particular scenario. So for example, you could see a box on refinancing options. This would give you more details around refinance opportunities. If you have this box, click on it and you will see some estimated numbers on what a refinance could do to help you. Please keep in mind that these are just estimates. The only way to truly know what a refinance could potentially save you is to give me a call. You may also see a section titled Thinking of Selling. Click on this to reveal some signals that may indicate it's a good time to sell. If it looks like this may be a good time for you to sell, be sure to give your real estate agent a call to walk you through what you might expect in this market. On your digest, you may see other boxes such as downsizing opportunities or suggestions for what you could do with your equity. Again, the What's Important Now section is going to give you information and ideas on how to leverage your home loan or wealth building opportunities based on your particular scenario. If you don't see this section, it may be because you're new to Homebot. Give it a little time and look for this section in your future digests. If you have any questions about any of these, please feel free to give me a call and let me know what's important to you now. I hope you are loving the Homebot Digest as much as I do. Did you know that you can actually invite a friend to receive the Homebot Digest, whether we've worked with them or not? Simply scroll down at the bottom, click on the Share Homebot button, and you'll be able to share it. I look forward to seeing you next time on another tip about getting the most out of your Homebot Digest.